Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Claudette. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend about my channel. And guys, don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And in today's video guys, I have my friend with me, Shanika.
Hi guys.
From Everything Shanika. And we'll be making Easter bun. So if that interests you, keep on watching. Okay guys, so however, we're supposed to use dragon, but we don't have any dragon. There's no dragon all sold out, so we're gonna do it with Guinness. Okay, so now we're gonna separate the dry ingredients from the wet ingredients, so stay tuned.
The bun, yeah? Jamaican Easter bun, and these are all the ingredients. So we're gonna use butter unsalted. We're using sugarcane molasses. We're using bacon spice. We're using rose and almond. We're using vanilla concentrated. Rose water, almond. Never seen this one before. And 2 Guinness. And we have the baking powder. And then we have the guava jelly. Did I miss anything? Oh, and we have brown sugar. We're going to use brown sugar, egg, and flour. We mix the liquid ingredients and the powder ingredients. So we're going to put it together. We leave out one of the Guinness because in case this is too thick, the mixture is too thick, then we can put a little bit more to lighten it a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and pour all the liquid inside of this.
Oh wow, it smells good.
I know, it smells really good.
Oh wow.
Pour a little bit more in there.
Smells nice.
This is the liquid mixed with the flour and baking powder and everything. Guys, I'm tired.
Everybody must work. Everybody must work.
You sure you don't want to come get a mix?
No.
It's coming like a high.
Guys, go over to Everything Shanika and show her some love. So that's my friend Shanika. She's spending the day with me.
That's right.
So go over to her channel and show her some love.
Whew. You want to use the whisk now and try to whisk it out a little bit? Here. So I'm going to try the whisk. My aunt tired. And she over here tastes better.
Tastes good, guys.
I'm come here, fishy slave me.
That's right.
No, don't do it.
Guys, she have never come to my house before.
I'm here now, and I should be the guest, and she have the slaving. Tell me if you want to take this right.
That's what friends are for.
Okay. Whew. I think it's mixed. What do you guys think? Smooth and nice.
It's delicious already.
Alright, so where are we putting it in now? We're going to put it in these containers. Alright? Okay guys, so this is the raisin and prune that's been soaking in wine and rum for almost a year. This is it, guys. See? Yeah. And then this is what we're going to put in there. We're going to put some cherry. Look at this. So pretty. And then mixed fruits. Guys, she's going to put these in her cake. In her bun, sorry, her bun. My bun, I just like it plain. I don't like the mixed fruits and all of these stuff, just plain. It's all done. This is hers with the fruits and the cherry that was on top, but it's kind of going in. This is the plain one. And then, guys, I know bun don't go in a brown dish, but this was extra, so we have to improvise. You know what I mean? So this is the one with cherry also, so we're going to put it in the oven. All right, come. The oven preheat? All right. So we're gonna put it in the oven. Ooh, it's hot. Can I put them on all the same top? Okay, so it's all in the oven, all three. Oven taller than me, you see? All right. So it's at 350, right? 350. How much minutes do I keep? 1 hour? Okay, so we'll give it an hour and come back. Okay guys, so we just took it out of the oven, so we have to glaze it with the butter, honey, and guava jam. So this is it. We just mix it up together. So I'm gonna glaze it. Ooh. Okay, pretty. Okay, take up that one. Let me glaze the other one. All right, that one. Okay, take that one. I'm gonna put. Guys, this one, you know, this one was guys, this one was the improvised. You know, this is actually not the bun, but a cake. So I'm gonna glaze it too, because we're gonna eat this. I'm gonna bring some for my co-workers, and then I'm gonna eat it too. Can't say me never bake. All right, I'll read that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do a taste test. Mmm. 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 Really good job. Mm-hmm. This is really good. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. So good. Mm. That's how you know.
So okay guys, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend about my channel, guys, and don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And I thank Shanika for spending the day with me on my channel. So we catch her next time, and don't forget to go on her channel. It's called
Everything Shanika.
Thanks guys, bye.
Leave some comments down below. Let us know how we did. Let us know what you think we could have done better or any changes. Have a good day.